Hi, my name is Sunday. In this video, I'll be talking about January and February 2021 ready to the emergency confirmed to return. So, emergency income has been confirmed by the Labour Minister to return back to the relaunch of the refreshment decree number 5. So, meaning they have added it to the refreshment decree number 5 that they are about to approve. When approved, people that are eligible or people who will be applying for it will receive the payment of ready to the emergency, new ready to the emergency. The confirmation of it returning once again has just been announced. So it says January and February 2021 ready to the emergency confirmed to return. Now, first, before we dive deep into it, if you know you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do subscribe and make sure you click the notification bell so that whenever I upload any new videos or information, you will be the first to know. Now let's get started. It says, Emergency Income 2021 Extension Restorative Sequence, which is the refreshment decree number 5. Katafo confirms news. So the Labour Minister has confirmed, say we are working on the extension of the emergency income precisely for families who have not managed to re-enter the citizenship income. So there are many families or there are many people who are unable to apply for ready to the Citadinaza. So this is the most important thing or the reason why they are making sure that it comes back again, which is the ready to the emergency. The reason why they want to make it to come back again in the restoring or in the refreshment decree number 5. It says decisive hours for the county government who remain in office only to carry out urgent and not postponable matters such as the restoring sequence decree containing COVID aid for VAD, autonomous, seasonal, intermittent businesses and society, but also for citizens with income support thanks to the extension of 2021 emergency income for the months of January and February. The restorative sequence decree for the months of January and February, emergency income is coming back again for the months of January and February. So it says the test of the restorative sequence decree by Sunday, meaning the test is going to come by Sunday. The introduction of it is going to come by Sunday. It said during yesterday's interview with the Minister of Labour, she spoke of both the most urgent intervention to be approved, the most urgent interventions to be approved by the restorative sequence decree that many Italians are waiting for. Emergency income or ready to the emergency that many Italians are waiting for, many people in Italy are waiting for, and those that will most likely suffer delays given the political crisis in progress. Because of the political crisis, what Renzi had caused the government to be right now by pulling out from the coalition government, and now Conte even resigned. Now they are trying to couple things together to make sure the government still forge ahead. So the government is having difficulty currently. That's why many things have been postponed. This law or this ready to the emergency needs to have approved or passed in January. So because of the crisis in government, they are postponing it again. So it's saying despite the uncertain future, despite the crisis, despite what is happening currently in Italy, the current government will still have to deal with the current affairs. And the approval of refreshment point 5 is one of these. So despite what is happening currently, man must work, man must shop. Despite the current crisis in government, they are still going to do something about ready to the emergency. So that is what they are saying. Say the approval of the test of the restorative sequence decree in the Council of Ministers by Sunday is coming. So the approval is going to take place on Sunday. So that is what they are saying. They approve, but they are going to approve it on Sunday. It says, then the publication of the official gazette by the first week of February. So after they have approved it, then from first week of February, let's hope or pray that they did not postpone it again. Then by first week of February, it will enter into the official gazette, or it will be passed into law. And subsequently, the entry into force of the provision. So by first week of February, let's hope if they did not postpone it again, because on Sunday they have to meet and sit about it and pass or approve it. Then thereafter, they will need to put it into the official gazette or pass it into law. Then officially, it will enter into force. Then from there, application can start. Probably they are going to do it to be like the one that of November, whereby some people that applied in September, it was automatic. Maybe we don't know yet. We don't know yet whether it's going to be automatic. Like for those ones who applied in November, they might say, okay, you have applied in November, it's going to be automatic. We don't know yet. Or it's going to be another fresh application. So get that from me. It might be extension of the previous one, which means that it's going to be automatic, or it's going to be another fresh application. So after it's been passed into law, they will also make an announcement concerning how the application also needs to go. For those ones who have not applied for it before, there is a good chance that you can also apply for this one. So that is what is happening currently. The most important thing about Ready to the Emergency, so those ones that are not working, for those ones that are not receiving Ready to Cittadinanza, and also for those ones who have documents or residence in Italy. So these are the people that can apply for Ready to the Emergency or emergency income. So the payment is 400 to 800 euro. If you are single, they can pay you 400 euro. If you have family, it will be up to 800 euros. So that is the amount of Ready to the Emergency. Emergency income, as they have said, it has been confirmed. Currently, it has not been passed into law due to the current crisis. They have postponed it. It needs to be passed into law at early January, but because of the current crisis of the government, that's why they postponed it to the end of January. And currently now, probably they are open or looking at the first week of February. So on Sunday stroke first week of February, they are going to approve it or pass it into law. At first week of February, to enter into official gazette, which is the official journal. Then thereafter, it can enter into law. So hopefully from February or first week of February, we are going to see the light of it, how the application needs to go. How true is it? How true this confirmation that the Labour Minister has just confirmed of Ready to the Emergency, that is going to come back again in the refreshment decree number 5. So thank you for watching. Thank you for listening. Please like, comment, and also share it to others as well. And if you know you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do subscribe and make sure you click the notification bell, so that whenever I upload any new videos or information, you will know. Thank you and God bless you. Bye.